Dear students, now we will study about the various efficiencies of steam turbine. First, the nozzle efficiency. What is the function of a nozzle? In an impulse turbine, it converts pressure energy into kinetic energy. So, kinetic energy of the steam is developed at the cost of the enthalpy drop occurring in the nozzle. So, therefore, nozzle efficiency is defined as kinetic energy of jet of steam issuing from the nozzle divided by enthalpy drop, isentropic enthalpy drop in the nozzle. It is neta n equal to Cn square by 2 divided by delta H isentropic. Now the blade efficiency is, what is blade efficiency? Blade efficiency is equal to work done on the blades divided by energy of steam entering the blades. Power developed on the blades divided by energy entering the blades. It is equal to U into Cw divided by C1 square by 2, or M into U into Cw divided by M C1 square by 2. It will be 2U Cw divided by C1 square. Now, gross efficiency. What is the gross efficiency of turbine? Gross efficiency is power developed by the turbine divided by energy at inlet to the turbine of the nozzle. Energy at inlet. It is the work done per kg in the stage divided by isentropic enthalpy drop in the stage. It is neta Gs equal to U Cw divided by delta H isentropic. It is when we split like this: 2U Cw by Cn square into C1 square by 2 delta H isentropic. So neta Gs equal to blade efficiency into nozzle efficiency. So gross stage efficiency is the product of blade efficiency into nozzle efficiency. Then axial thrust or end thrust. So as I told, the velocity of flow or the axial component produces the axial thrust. So axial thrust is given by Cf1 minus Cf2 into M Newton. The energy converted into friction in the blades equal to M into Cr1 square minus Cr2 square divided by 2. This is the energy loss due to friction between the steam and the blades. Steam and the blades. These are some of the efficiencies of the turbine. Now, dear friends, we shall solve some problems on this single stage impulse turbine. First, I will read the problem number 1. Steam issues from the nozzle of a D-level turbine with a velocity of 1200 meter per second. The nozzle angle is 20 degree. The mean blade velocity is 400 meter per second, and the inlet and outlet angles of the blades are equiangular. The mass of steam flowing through the turbine is given per hour as 900 kg. Calculate the blade angle. B. The relative velocity of steam entering the blades, tangential force on the blades, and power developed, and the blade efficiency. So as I have told, I have already explained how to draw the velocity diagrams. So blade velocity is given here. How much it is? It is 400 meter per second. So blade velocity is 400 meter per second. Take some scale. So take 100. If you take 100 meter per second as the scale, is equal to 1 centimeter. 400 meter per second will be 4 centimeter. Draw a line AD equal to 4 centimeters. The nozzle angle is given as 20 degree. So at an angle of 20 degree, draw a line AB at an angle of alpha 1 equal to 20 degree, and mark AB as equal to steam velocity is given as 1200. 1200 meter per second means it will be 12 centimeters. Mark AB equal to 12 centimeters. Then join BD. Join BD. BD gives CR1 and angle made by CR1 will be beta 1. Measuring from the diagram, CR1 will be 840 meter per second, beta 1 equal to 30 degree. So also it is given that plates are equiangular, so beta 1 equal to beta 2. And assume that k equal to 0.8. He has given k equal to blade velocity coefficient is given as 0.8. That means I have told blade velocity coefficient equal to CR2 divided by CR1. CR2 equal to 0.8 times CR1. So with D as center, draw a line DF at an angle of beta 2 equal to beta 1 equal to 30 degree and mark DF equal to CR2 equal to K into CR1, that is 0.8 times 840. Then join AF. AF gives C2. Then drop a perpendicular from F to the horizontal line and also from the B to the horizontal line. Drop perpendicular from B and F. Then measure this EC. EC gives CW. See, EC gives CW. CW will be equal to 1320 meter per second. Then he is asking the first tangential force on the blades. Tangential force equal to M into CW. Okay. Power developed equal to M into CW into U divided by 1000 kilowatt. Blade efficiency equal to 2U CW by C1 square. C1 square. These are the sum of the things. We have solved problem number 1. Okay. Thank you.